Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads editor tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to bulk upload keywords with Google Ads editor. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, you need to open either an Excel document or a Google Sheets document, and you need to format it in the following way. So you have a campaign column, an ad group column, and a keyword column, and then you're going to fill in your campaign names, either new or existing, your ad group names, either new or existing, and you're going to insert the keywords. You can insert the keywords in broad match, or you can also use keyword match types. Now what you're going to do is you are going to copy everything. You're going to copy the titles also, campaign, ad group, and keyword. So I'm just going to copy basically all of this setup here. So we are going to copy. We are going to go to our Google Ads editor, and we are going to go to left-hand side under keywords and targeting. We're going to open the drop-down menu, and we're going to come here to keywords. Now we're going to click on make multiple changes, and we are going to select paste from clipboard. And once you select paste from clipboard, you can see here that the system automatically recognizes your columns, campaign, ad group, and keyword. Make sure that here you select my data includes columns for campaigns and or ad groups. And all you have to do is to process. Now the system will process. You're going to say finish and review changes. You're going to say keep. And you will see here that we have the campaign that we uploaded. We have the two ad groups. And under every ad group, we have the keywords that we uploaded. Now, let's say that you want to bulk upload keywords in an existing campaign and ad group. In this case, all you need to do is to have a list of keywords. So let's say I'm going to copy these keywords here. We are going to copy them from an Excel file or a Google Sheets document. We are going to go back to our editor, and let's say we want to upload them under this campaign and this ad group. So from the left-hand side, you are going to select the ad group under the campaign you want to bulk upload the keywords. You are going to go under keywords and targeting again from the left-hand side, and you're going to select keywords. Again, you are going to click on make multiple changes. And this time you're going to select use selected destinations. You need to make sure that you select the right ad group, and you're going to say paste from clipboard. And here you're going to see your keywords. You're going to say process, and you're going to finish review changes, and you're going to say keep all. And now you can see that under this specific ad group, we have basically the new keywords that we bulk uploaded. So it's super easy. One more time as a recap, step number one, you are going to have your keywords in an Excel document or Google Sheets. You can actually upload them together with campaign and ad group structure, or you can upload them on their own. If you want to upload them together with the entire campaign structure, you're going to copy everything. You're going to come here to your editor. You're going to select keywords from the left-hand side menu, make multiple changes. And if your data includes columns for campaigns and ad groups, you're going to select this option, paste from clipboard, and you are going to process them like that. If you want to bulk upload in a specific ad group, you're going to say use selected destinations. You need to copy only the keywords. Then you select the ad group, you paste from clipboard, you process, and you finalize everything. And once you do that, then you need to post the changes basically here to send everything live. A quick note here, if you want to bulk upload, let's say, keywords to existing campaigns and ad groups, when you create this template basically in your Excel sheet or Google Sheets, your campaign names and your ad group names need to be exactly as per the existing campaign names and ad group names. The spelling also and the capitalization needs to be exactly as per the existing campaigns that you have in your Google Ads editor, and then you're going to follow the same process. That's it. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, you can find links to the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.